Thank you for purchasing the Tower Cap Base Adapter or Tower Cap Base Adapter Kit. This base adapter was designed to make sealing the tower cap base easier and allows for a quick and reliable seal without the need for Teflon tape or tools. The tower base adapter is built to last a lifetime if used correctly. The installation process is easy. If you purchase the Tower Cap Base Adapter Kit, you have everything you need. If you purchase the adapter only, you will need to purchase E6000 adhesive to seal the adapter to the tower cap base, and a 21-inch humidifier hose from our website. First, disconnect the humidifier hose and remove the tower cap from the AquaCure. Remove any Teflon tape from the inside threads at the base of the tower cap and the water filler tube. If you have some stubborn Teflon tape, you can use a firm tooth or wire brush to encourage it to loosen. Then wipe with a lint-free cloth. If your tower cap has a union base, remove the union from the tower cap. Make sure the O-ring has no flat spots and both it and its channel are clean. Using the E6000 adhesive, apply a generous amount to the outside male threads of the PVC or steel adapter. Ensure all space between the threads are evenly filled. E6000 can be runny. Be sure to have a paper towel handy. Do not apply the glue to the threads inside of the tower cap, union, or the adapter. Any glue on the female threads will get pushed in when you install the adapter. Install the PVC or steel base adapter to tower cap base. Tighten as much as you can, or ask a friend with strong hands. Wear thick rubber or leatherwork gloves. The threads on the union can be sharp, and it is easier to grip firmly. Hand tight is enough to secure the threads in place. Wipe any excess glue from the connection, but do not remove it all. There should be a small bead around the union or between the tower cap base and the adapter. Place upside down and allow to cure for 24 hours. Once the glue has cured, screw the bottom of the union or tower cap to the AquaCure silver stem and finger tighten only. Do not over-tighten as you will damage the rubber seals. Teflon tape is no longer required due to the glue and internal washer. When reinstalling the tower cap with a union, align the 90-degree connector to the same side as the humidifier bottle. This can only be done with a union due to its ability to be adjusted. If reinstalling a tower cap without a union, the 90-degree connector may not align with the humidifier bottle. If there is no union and the 90-degree connector does not line up to the same side as the humidifier bottle, you will need to replace the shorter humidifier hose with the 21-inch hose. Thank you again for purchasing the AquaCure Tower Cap Adapter.